Hey guys, I'm back and today I will be making slime. If you could not already tell by the video title, I'll be making slime and I'm going to be making a glitter batch. Sorry guys, I'm just making the solution, but I'm going to be making a glitter batch out of red glitter glue, but I don't know why I got a fork for the solution because it's liquid, but that's okay. So I've already got some glue in my bowl because I didn't think about making the video till afterwards, but I still have some left in my container. So we're just gonna add the rest of my glitter glue, and I have like a whole basket full. So I got the camera change, and I have a whole basket full of stuff for slime because I got it all for my birthday. I have like a gallon of glue, a couple bottles of glue, shaving cream basket, like 8 different colors of food coloring, a bunch of glitter, borax for my solution. So yeah, but I'm trying to get the rest of this out, and there's actually quite a bit of glue in here. You can kind of see through the bowl there. Well, I think we can get a little more out of this. Let's probably about all that we'll get out of this glitter glue container, which is my only bottle of glitter glue. It's red, although I would like blue, but my friend, she got me the bottle of blue for my birthday, and she didn't know that I probably not like red because I'm not a Logo fan. She isn't either, but I don't know, maybe she just forgot. But that's how much glue I have. That's a pretty decent amount for this size bowl, as you guys can tell. Sorry guys, just dropped the camera there. Hold on guys, I'll be right back with you guys. Oh, let me pause it please. Well, it's not gonna let me pause it. Let me just wipe the camera off. It's blurry still, but I'm gonna pause this and be right back with you guys. Ugh, it keeps telling me I cannot zoom in. It's not letting me pause. Ugh, guys, you'll just have to walk through me with the journey. That's all over my hands. Sorry that it keeps going in front. It's just so like the camera got in it and I didn't right by it, but that should be good enough till afterwards. Oh, my little napkin, just wipe off the rest of it. There we go, guys. Sorry about that. There we go. But I do have all the slime, all the glue in there. Not the whole slime, but all the glue in there. So I'm not going to add shaving cream to this one. And I might just add a little drop of pink food coloring, just to make it a little more pink than red, you know. Let's go 2 drops because I have 2 containers of pink. Take my handy dandy spoon and mix it on up. Glitter glue, for some reason, the consistency already makes it feel like you've added solution. I don't know why though, but it looks really orange on camera, but it's not. It's red. So there we go. And there's not much we can else add to this, so let's just add some solution with a fork, because that's so helpful. So great. It's working so well. But I mean, if I do it quick, it kind of comes out really fairly quickly. But there's not much, because it just falls to the thing. And glitter glue actually does not take as much as white glue does to solidify. I don't know why. See, it's already like started to come together fully practically. So yeah, glitter glue does not take as much solution, contact solution, or whatever you use. But for me personally, I use borax. I use 1 cup of hot water, 2 teaspoons of borax. That's what I do. But yeah, sorry I'm talking so quiet. I got a headphone in and I don't want to be loud, so yeah. I don't like those people who go in with their hands like immediately, because I don't like to get sticky while I'm making some. I know it will just come off, but there's no fun in it if you're all dirty by the time you get your slime together. So yeah, I'm gonna get this situated and I'll be back with you guys after it turns to slime. Alright guys, so I'll take it out. I've got my slime. It kind of sounds crunchy, honestly, when you pull it. And it's really pretty when you don't whip it. It's not really pokey. I don't think glitter glue ever turns out pokey. But it's really satisfying to stretch. But it's not really stretchy. I mean, if you go slowly, yeah. But if you go, then it's not touching like. But when you're just like pulling it slowly, and it's not that bad actually. It's a really pretty good slime. So yeah, slime with glitter glue, red glitter glue. But yeah guys, that's the video. And I'll probably make another slime video right after this one with white glue instead of glitter glue, because it's just, for me, I get some people can make glitter glue sound really good, but I'm not one of those people. So my glitter glue, I think I overactivated it a little, so I'm gonna add a little bit more glue that's in the bottom of this, so maybe it will help it not be so stiff, so that you did not eat it. Maybe if it will come out. Just in case I'm new, I'll set it up like this. And then let's just mix the glue in without touching it, because I don't like glue. I don't like mixing glue in with my slime because it makes it really sticky. This one sounds pretty. yeah, guys, that's the video. I made a glittery slime. Thanks for watching. Oops. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. Bye.